Hello and welcome. These are fun to eat, easy to open, White Castle spicy chicken sliders. And there it says, spicy chicken rings run circles around nuggets. The ring is the thing. Turn your home into a castle. Find the heat you're craving with a spicy pepper breading. We took the original chicken ring and kicked it up a notch. Crispy and spicy on the outside, tender on the inside. 360 degrees of fun. And serving size, if you're curious, is 5 pieces. And they have conventional oven instructions and microwave oven instructions. I'm going to throw this in conventional oven and let's see what these look like before I throw it in the oven. So this is easy to open. Alright. It's not so easy to open. Alright. There's your crispy, spicy, crispy chicken rings. Now, I'll get these in the oven. I'll be right back. Here are the spicy chicken rings out of the air fryer. So I opted for the air fryer instead of the oven. I did it 5 minutes at 370. Flipped them. I did 2 minutes at 370, and let it sit in there for about half a minute after it was done. And the bag wants you to cook it in the oven at 425 for 7 minutes. Flip another 4 minutes. And these are super hot, and they feel crispy. Let's go in for a cross section. It's hot to the touch. And there's your cross section. Alright, let's see what the spicy chicken ring from White Castle frozen is about. I don't know if you can see that, but when I cut it in half, cut a clean line, I ripped it in half, you can see little layers. It's a formed ring. It is kind of getting spicy. So these are ring-shaped nuggets. They're not that bad. I don't know what's bringing the spice, but I'm not going to read those ingredients. But I brought along some sauces. I have a little stash in my fridge with sauces. I chose a Popeyes Wild Honey Mustard, Popeyes Blackened Ranch, and McDonald's Hot Mustard. Try with these. And that heat is just, it's a spice. Not really a heat, but it's there. People sensitive to spice will think it's hot. So this is the Wild Honey Mustard. Let's see what the chicken ring, how it goes with the honey mustard. Like it with the honey mustard. Let's try one with the Blackened Ranch. Yeah, these nugget rings they're good with these sauces. They're probably going to be good with any sauce. It kind of brings that spicy level down. But let's spice it up with McDonald's infamous hot mustard. It's my favorite sauce at McDonald's. The spicy chicken ring works with McDonald's hot mustard. So yeah, the flavor, the crust is crunchy. It is tender on the inside. It's holding its steam. I can see steam still coming out of it. It is minced white meat chicken formed into a ring, but the breading is crunchy, it's spicy. It's good with probably any sauce. Good with all three of these. So the chicken ring from White Castle, I'm giving it a 7. This is really good. It's spicy, it's crunchy. It goes good with sauces, and so 7 out of 10. And I wonder if anyone has ever gotten married or proposed with a chicken ring at White Castle. It's like, will you marry me? And then they exchange chicken rings, and then maybe they eat each other's chicken ring off their finger. That would be pretty romantic, I think. So, anyway, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.